Yep, guys. Also, Skim Sam takes it away as Vele Manenje wins Best Supporting Actress in a TV soap at the SAFTAs for Harold as Eve Evelyn Maswatla in Skim Sam, guys. Yes, here's a Vele collecting her award, guys, at the SAFTAs, guys. Yes, also Skim Sam has collected, guys, one award at the SAFTAs.
I'm gonna be quick. I've counted it down. Firstly, because I am just a woman living in her Pisarume 30, right? Secondly, my immediate family, Taki Chirizi, Bokangare, Nabomashudu Manenje, thank you for believing in me the way you do and never giving up on me. Thirdly, my brother band, you see these gorgeous men behind me? Thank you for making sure that I'm a woman that vibrates in high frequency. My director, Homoto Medube, she's sitting right there with me. She held me during this time. And you know what? Thank you. I honor you so much for giving me the space to tell the story as authentically as I could. Number 5, thank you to South Africa. Thank you to Skim Sam. Thank you to everyone. I am Aneta Magona.
Yep, guys. Also, Skim Sam was represented by Vele as she takes the Best Supporting Actress, guys. Also, Skim Sam, guys, was there to collect one. I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your view or opinion down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.